Hey guys, Dr. Berg here. In this video, we're going to talk about something very, very cool. It's called lactic acid. I don't know if you ever heard of that before, but lactic acid bacteria is probably one of your most friendly bacteria that you have in your gut. And this is what it looks like right here. This is lactic acid. This is called Kombucha Tea. And it looks disgusting. It has like a fungus in there. They're little tiny friendly microbes. So these little friendly guys will create a really powerful beneficial acid that goes in your gut. First of all, they help neutralize the toxic bacteria, so they're actually good to support your immune system. They deodorize bad smells, so they actually get rid of rotten smells that are in your colon. So when you go to the bathroom, if you have a bad smell, you need to consume some lactic acid from something like kombucha tea. And they also enhance the nutritional benefit of your foods. Because it's an acid, it allows you to absorb more proteins, amino acid, like also minerals, trace minerals, calcium, zinc. So this enhances the nutritional value of the food that you already eat. If your colon is not acid enough, you're not going to be able to break down food. So this ensures that the pH is correct in the large and small intestine. So it also helps your skin. It's a blood cleanser. It's a colon cleanser, like I said. It loves mucous membranes. So in your colon, you have these layers of mucous membranes, and also in your mouth and the different parts of your body and your sinuses. This is wonderful to support the mucous membrane. So it's an overall great thing for your immune system. Now what's interesting is this stuff is made from white sugar and black tea. So you take, and I'll actually put the recipe below in the link, but you basically take sugar and you dissolve it in water and you put black tea in it with caffeine, and then you let it cool down and you put this little fungus in here. Looks disgusting. And then the fungus starts eating up the caffeine and the tea and the sugar and converts it into lactic acid. Pretty wild. So we're basically consuming kind of the waste product from these microbes with a lot of good benefits. So you can also get this from consuming pickles, right? You can also get it from kefir, which is a type of sour yogurt. You can get it from yogurt. You can get it from pickled vegetables. And my favorite, which is sauerkraut. So start consuming these fermented foods and enhance the benefit from your food. Thanks for watching.